The Philippine Navy has enhanced its combat capabilities by awarding a contract for vertical takeoff and landing precision strike munitions to Thunder Defense, a Pakistani-Filipino defense company. This move aligns with the growing trend of utilizing loitering munitions for modern warfare. But what exactly are these weapons? How will they benefit the Philippine Navy? And what does this mean for the country's defense landscape? Let's find out. According to recent reports, the Philippine Navy has issued a notice of award for the procurement of materials for VTOL precision strike munitions to Makati-based Thunder Defense. The project has an approved budget for the contract of 88 million pesos, signifying the Navy's push for more advanced and autonomous strike capabilities. This initiative is a key part of the Philippine military's ongoing modernization program, particularly in acquiring cost-effective yet lethal assets. The awarded contract is expected to supply the materials needed to develop and deploy these advanced loitering munitions. One of the most intriguing aspects of this acquisition is the reported VTOL suicide drone developed by Pakistan Ordnance Factories. This drone is designed to carry either a 60mm or an 81mm mortar round, making it a versatile strike weapon. With a range of 8 kilometers and a loitering time of 4 to 5 hours, this drone can provide precision targeting and engage high-value enemy assets with minimal risk to personnel. This means that the Philippine Navy can use these drones for both surveillance and offensive operations, particularly in maritime and littoral environments. The VTOL capability allows it to operate from naval vessels, coastal outposts, and even urban settings, providing flexible deployment options. Introducing VTOL loitering munitions could significantly enhance the Navy's asymmetric warfare capabilities. In a region marked by rising maritime tensions, having drones that can strike with precision and operate beyond visual range is a game-changer. These drones could be deployed in contested areas like the West Philippine Sea, offering real-time reconnaissance and rapid strike capabilities against potential threats. Additionally, they could serve as force multipliers by supporting ground forces in coastal defense operations. This procurement also highlights the growing defense cooperation between the Philippines and Pakistan. While the Philippines has traditionally sourced its defense equipment from the US, Israel, and South Korea, this contract signifies the diversification of suppliers. Pakistan has been advancing in military drone technology, and its collaboration with Thunder Defense shows an interest in expanding its footprint in Southeast Asia's defense market. If this partnership proves successful, we may see more such procurements in the future. The Philippine Navy's acquisition of VTOL precision strike munitions marks a significant milestone in its modernization efforts. With an 88 million peso investment, introducing loitering munitions will enhance its strike capabilities, improve surveillance operations, and reinforce coastal and maritime defenses. As the defense landscape evolves, expect to see more high-tech solutions being integrated into the armed forces of the Philippines. What do you think about this latest development? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and military advancements.